continuing on with our successes and failures with this Weedo Tina2 3D printer. We had pretty good luck with this chess set yesterday. Each piece has a full base under it. A raft is under the pieces, and they are not perched on a small part as this dory fish is. When you've got a lot of material that is not supported directly under it, with this Tina2, this is what we're seeing. And from this side, it doesn't look terribly bad. But from this side, the fin did not print well at all. Not only this fin, but the tail fin did not print well. So there'll be more about how we're printing, but in the future, when we see objects that are going to be printed vertically, we need to understand that they may not print out. There will be more.